How to fix Netflix account hold problem. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix Netflix account hold problem. If your Netflix account is on hold, it usually means there is an issue with your payment method or the account status. Here's how you can fix it. First of all, log into your Netflix account and hover your cursor over your profile at the top right. There you will find account option. Click on this account option and here look for any notifications or messages indicating a problem with your payment method. Verify that your payment method is up to date and has sufficient funds. If your payment method has expired or been declined, update it with a valid one. Also follow the prompts to add a new payment method or update the existing one. Sometimes an account hold can be due to other reasons such as suspicious activity or a security concern. Review your account settings and activity to ensure everything looks normal. If you suspect unauthorized access to your account, change your password immediately. So if you have checked everything and still can't resolve the issue, then reach out to the Netflix customer support for assistance. They can provide further insight into this issue and help you resolve it. So by following these steps, you can address any payment or account hold issue. You should be able to fix the hold on your Netflix account and resume streaming. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.